Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how I regrow grocery store celery. Now this one I've had soaking in this mason jar for about 3 weeks. As you can see, it's grown roots, and I'm going to put this in soil. This one I've cut all the way down to the bottom and have taken all of the outside stalks off, and it started to regrow. So I'm going to keep this one soaking until it grows more leaves and roots. And then I'll plant that one. This one I'm going to prepare to soak. I've taken this straight out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to cut some of the outer stalks off. And I'm going to use that in my salad. Let's see. Okay. So this is what is remaining, and this is what I'm going to soak and let these roots come out. You can kind of cut some of this off to help the roots come out a little bit easier. So we'll put this one in the mason jar. What I'll have to do is cut out some of these outside leaves so it can fit. And next we're going to pot this one up. Now I'm going to pot this celery that has the roots. I'm going to pot that up. But first, any outside stalks that has marks like this, where it may have some bacteria or it's no good, we're going to get rid of that first. I'll take this top piece off here. I'm going to go ahead and plant the rest of it. This is okay. Just put it in the center of my soil. Pack the soil in nicely. And then we're going to water it really, really well because it's used to being in water. So I'm going to pour all of this water, and then I'll add some more water. And I'll continue to do this with all my celery. Every time I get a grocery store organic celery, I'll regrow them until I have enough that I don't have to go to the grocery store. Okay, now we have the celery that we've trimmed down to soak so we can get roots and plant it like this one. So I'm just going to take off some of the outer stalks that are at the bottom. Let's see if it could fit. One more. Okay. A little too much water, that's good. So we'll let this soak in water on the windowsill. Or you can leave it outside as well, but I'm going to put mine in the windowsill so it can get sun. But the key is it has to get water and sunlight. So once this grows roots, we'll plant that out, add it to the collection until we have enough celery that we don't have to buy anymore. I'm going to show you my other one, my other celery plant.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.